Hey there! Today I'm going to give you a complete review of how to use Rustdesk, a step-by-step guide for beginners. So let's get started. Rustdesk is a remote desktop application. It lets you access another computer from anywhere. You can control the screen, keyboard, and mouse remotely. It works on Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and iOS. The main idea is simple. Connect devices securely and manage them with ease. It's often used for remote support, work from home, and troubleshooting. Everything feels straightforward, even for beginners. Now let's talk about the pros. This is great because Rustdesk is completely free to use. The best part is it's open source, so it's transparent and trusted. You don't need complex setup to get started. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly. It works smoothly even on slower internet connections. Another big plus is security. Your data stays encrypted. You can also self-host it, which gives you full control. File transfer is fast and simple. Cross-platform support makes it very flexible. Now for the cons. One limitation is that advanced settings may feel confusing at first. Self-hosting requires technical knowledge. The interface is simple but not very modern looking. Sometimes connection quality depends heavily on network stability. Customer support is limited compared to paid tools. Mobile controls can feel slightly restricted. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.